We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, let us solve some more examples of divergence and curl. Let us take like this. Let position vector r that we know now, that is x plus y j plus z k. Prove that divergence of gradient of r power n equal to n plus 1 r power n minus 2. See, magnitude of vector r is r. Now vector r is xi plus yj plus zk. They are functions of t, x, y and z. And r square, r is magnitude of vector r is r, so r square equal to magnitude r square, and so that is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square. And we know we also need this differentiation of r with respect to x, with respect to y and with respect to z. So differentiate this partially with respect to x. So then we are having 2r delta r by delta x equal to 2x, and therefore delta r by delta x equal to x by r. Similarly, delta r by delta y is y by r, delta r by delta z is z by r. So keep in your mind that inside r, x, y and z variables are there. Now first of all we need gradient of r power n. So gradient of r power n, so that is del of r power n, meaning I del by del x of r power n plus j del by del y of r power n plus k del by del z of r power n. Now we want to differentiate r power n with respect to x. So we can apply the chain rule. So first differentiate with respect to r. So n r power n minus 1, and then r differentiated with respect to x. We can do the same thing for y. So n r power n minus 1 delta r by delta y plus k n r power n minus 1 delta r by delta z. Now we have del r by del x is x by r. So I n r power n minus 1 x by r plus j n r power n minus 1 y by r plus k n r power n minus 1 z by r. And so this is equal to I n times r power n minus 2 x plus j n r power n minus 2 y plus k n r power n minus 2 z. This is gradient of r power n. Now we want divergence of gradient of r power n. So we want divergence of this. So divergence of gradient of r power n. So that is del dot r power n. So this is nothing but the first component f1 say, this is say f2, and this is say f3, and we know divergence. So the derivative of the first component with respect to x. So del by del x of n r power n minus 2 into x plus, please do remember there is no ijk when you are writing divergence, it's a dot product, plus del by del y of n r power n minus 2 y plus del by del z n r power n minus 2 z. So we want to find the derivative say of r power n minus 2 into x with respect to x. So there are two terms where x lies. In this r power n minus 2 also there is x, and in x is also there is x. Same for y and z. So we need to apply the product rule. N is constant, we can take even outside also. So this is n. Let us take outside from every term. Now del by del x of r power n minus 2 into x. So let us take the derivative of r power n minus 2 with respect to x. So that is n minus 2 r power n minus 3. So up to this the derivative we did with respect to r. We want derivative with respect to x. So now r should be differentiated with respect to x. So that's the chain rule that we already know, and x as it is, plus now r power n minus 2 as it is, derivative of x is 1. Same we need to do for the y. So plus we have taken n outside, so plus n minus 2 r power n minus 3 del r by del y and y as it is, plus r power n minus 2 and derivative of y is 1. Same for z, n minus 2 r power n minus 3 del r by del z into z plus r power n minus 2 derivative of z with respect to z is 1. Now again you can see that every del r by del x we need to put it the value, del r by del y, del r by del z, del r by del x x by r, del r by del y y by r, del r by del z z by r. So that is equal to n minus 2 r power n minus 3, this is x by r into x, plus let us write this one n minus 2. So let us take n minus 2 outside from this term, and this term. So n minus 2 outside, r power n minus 3 x by r x plus r power n minus 3. Even that also we could take outside from the terms. So let us write this way, r power n minus 3 also outside, n minus 2 also outside from these three terms. Del r by del x is x by r into x plus y by r into y plus z by r into z, and plus now r power n minus 2, r power n minus 2 and r power n minus 2, so they are 3 times, so plus 3 times r power n minus 2, so that is equal to n minus 2. Even this r, now we can take r also, so consider r, so r power n minus 3 and over r, so that is nothing but r power n minus 4, and inside we are having x into x, so that is x square plus y square plus z square, and plus 3 times r power n minus 2. So n minus 2 r power n minus 4. Now we know x square plus y square plus z square is r square. So plus 3 r power n minus 2. So equal to n minus 2. Now r power n minus 4 into r square. So that is equal to r power n minus 2 plus 3 r power n minus 2. Now we can take r power n minus 2 also outside. So n r power n minus 2 inside n minus 2 plus 3. So we have n, and this is n plus 1 r power n minus 2. That is nothing but divergence of gradient of r power n. So that is the answer. Take one more example. Let r be a position vector xi plus yj plus zk. Prove that divergence of r power n vector r equal to n plus 3 r power n. So again vector r xi plus yj plus zk, then r is magnitude r, and so r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and here we can have 2r delta r by delta x is 2x, and therefore delta r by delta x is equal to x by r, and similarly delta r by delta y is y by r, delta r by delta z is z by r. Now what we want is r power n vector r and its divergence. So let us first take r power n vector r. So what is r power n vector r? So that is r power n, this is xi plus yj plus zk. So this is nothing but r power n xi plus r power n yj plus r power n zk. Now we want to take the divergence of this one. So this is our f1, f2 and f3, three components. So divergence of r power n vector r. So the first component f1, its partial derivative with respect to x. So del by del x of r power n into x plus del by del y of r power n y plus del by del z r power n z. we want to take the derivative of r power n x with respect to x. So again there is a x here in r power n as well as x. So there are two terms having x. Same for y, same for z. So let us take the derivative of r power n with respect to r. So n r power n minus 1 into del r by del x and x as it is, plus r power n as it is, derivative of x is 1. Same for y, same for z. So plus n r power n minus 1 del r by del x, del r by del y into y plus plus r power n and derivative of y is 1 plus n r power n minus 1 del r by del z into z plus r power n into 1. Now we can put del r by del x as x by r. So this is n r power n minus 1 x by r into x plus this r power n we are having 3 times. So we write at the end. So first we write these 3 terms. So n r power n minus 1 y by r plus n r power n minus 1 z by r plus 3 times r power n. This is equal to n r power n minus 2. Here also r power n minus 2. Here also r power n minus 2 can be taken outside. So n r power n minus 2, and inside we are having x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, plus 3 times r power n. So this is equal to n r power n minus 2 into r square plus 3 r power n, x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. So this is n times r power n plus 3 r power n. So that is nothing but n plus 3 r power n. So that's what we want. We take one more example. This was asked for 7 marks in 2020 GTU exam. It was asked for 7 marks. So the question is like this. Let R is a position vector and vector A is a constant vector. Then for any integer n, divergence of A cross R over R power n is equal to 0. We can also write like this: del dot A cross R over R power n equal to 0. So now first of all we need A cross R. So A is a constant vector. So R vector we know it is xi plus yj plus zk, and so let A bar, a constant vector, is like this: a1i plus A2j plus A3k. Let us find A cross R. So A cross R, so that is equal to I j k A1 A2 A3, they are constants, R x y z, and so that is equal to I A2z minus A3y, then minus j A1z minus A3x. Better we take minus sign inside. Then plus k A1y minus A2x. So this is our A cross R, and A cross R upon R power n. So A cross R by R power n, that is nothing but I A2z minus A3y over R power n plus j A3x minus A1z upon R power n plus k A1y minus A2x upon R power n. So this is our A cross R upon R power n. Now we want its divergence. So this is our first component, say F1. This one is our second component, say F2. And this one is the third component, say F3. We need del R by del X also, because we know in R, X, Y and Z lying inside. So R bar is xi plus yj plus zk, then R square is x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiate partially, say with respect to x, then 2r del R by del X is 2x, and therefore del R by del X is x by R. So it's repeated. Similarly, del R by del Y is y by R, del R by del Z is z by R. I write in every example where needed, because in exam you should write. Now divergence of A cross R over R power n, or you can have say del dot A cross R over R power n. So that is equal to del by del X of first component. So del by del X of A2z minus A3y, A2z minus A3y over R power n, plus del by del Y of second component. So that is A3x minus A1z over R power n, plus del by del Z of third component, that is A1y minus A2x upon R power n. Now we want to take the derivative, partial derivative with respect to x, but here there is no x, so that is constant, but here there is x in R power n. So we need to take the derivative of R power minus n with respect to R, and then R with respect to x. So let us do this. a2z minus a3y, so that is constant, and r power minus n, so its derivative is minus n r power minus n minus 1 into delta r by delta x. Now I just give to you that you write second term also same way, third term also same way. This will be there for y here, and this part is constant, and here instead of x there is y. Similarly for z, this is constant, and that here that will be z. So that is the way I just write, you complete this. Then this is a2z minus a3y. Now see, minus n, this is r power minus n minus 1, and delta r by delta x is x by r. Same way here, plus a3x minus a1z minus n r power minus n minus 1 y power r, plus a1y minus a2x and minus n r power minus n minus 1 z by r. So that is equal to a2z minus a3y minus n, now r power minus n minus 1, and this r is also here power minus 1. So this is r power minus 1, r power minus n minus 2, and x is there, plus a3x minus a1z minus n r power minus n minus 2 y is there, plus a1y minus a2x minus n r power minus n minus 2 z is there. Now minus n and r power minus n minus 2 we can take outside. So minus n r power minus n minus 2. What is inside? a2z minus a3y and x, plus a3x minus a1z y, plus a1y minus a2x z. So this is equal to minus n r power minus n minus 2 a2 xz minus a3 xy, plus a3 xy minus a1 yz, plus a1 yz minus a2 xz, and see that this is 0 because a2 xz cancel, a3 xy minus and plus cancel, minus a1 yz plus a1 yz also cancel, so that is 0. So we proved that divergence of constant vector a cross r upon r power n is 0. This was asked for 7 marks. Thank you.